Good morning, Carrie.
Oh, not much. What's new with you?
Brain farts. They happen to everyone. There's the I really should know that by now fart.
Oh, hi, Shirley.
It's Cheryl.
And the
No.
oh God, I just sexted my mom fart. Some brain farts are small. Some are big. Others can be enormous.
Congrats. When do you do?
I'm not.
Either way, they happen to the best of us. It's just your brain's way of saying, feed me. Fortunately, there's Bird Brain, an energy drink formulated to give your brain the amino acids and vitamins it needs to function properly, so brain farts can become a thing of the past. Bird Brain. Make your brain suck less.